Cameroon, Trinidad, Jamaica, where the Guyana crew.
Yeah, we have a mass, my son. It's a big thing that go on.
That's right, this is Mikey TV. You're watching the Entertainment Beat. I told you enough stars come on here. Next to me, ladies and gentlemen, this face is not stranger to you. This is the one, the only, the worldwide known lyrical. Say what's up to
You
the
don't know. Mikey TV, all we need is one extra hour and one extra day. Hollywood Carnival say 25-8. We partying straight till the morning. Mikey TV cannot done, no. Mad, you don't know lyrical. Hollywood Carnival, second year, 2013. Mikey TV, endorse it, 100%. Yeah.
Enough said.
I am Dr. Claire Nelson, the grandmother of Carnival. Blessed love. Yes. All Caribbean Massive watching Key TV.
Right next to me, ladies, I'm gonna have your new boyfriend. This is the guest host for today. This is my dude, Knowledge. Knowledge, say what's up to the family out there.
Give thanks, Flash. Well, I'm feeling good, man. Like Flash said, I'm the new face, you know what I mean? Coming all the way from Montego Bay, Jamaica. Lovely Hollywood, California. Lovely Boulevard. I'm just loving the vibe right now, man.
Right. So it's a good vibe. We got the good weather, and we're at the historic Hollywood Boulevard. How big is it that the Caribbean has been represented right here on Hollywood Boulevard in Hollywood?
Oh, man. Words couldn't articulate it right now, Flash. Just being all the way millions of miles away from home and being able to see the Caribbean people come together like this is amazing.
Right, that's what it's all about. This is Mikey TV. Keep it locked. We got more in store. And trust me, we got another guest co-host, Ashley. She's going to be here. Knowledge is here. I'm here. The whole family is here. So keep it locked. This is Mikey TV, Hollywood 2013 coverage of the Carnival. Boom.
Right, on the road.
I'm from St. Thomas, VI, Rock City Massive. Shout out to the Bay Area. Carnival Hollywood 2013.
St. Vincent, what part of St. Vincent you from?
Leeward.
How you loving the parade, man?
Yeah, I love it. Hollywood all day.
It's not like I never try my bumper yet, but I have deep concentration. Yeah. Every eye on me, so it's no display. Body just to rise. Boy, how do we hide? In the uptown session, well, we having a nice time. Nice time, one back to the next one, well, you know that is my style. And when I'm uptown, well, it's under now.
This is history in the making. The Caribbean culture, Carnival on the streets of Hollywood. It don't get no better than this. I think this is just the beginning and it's gonna grow. I feel very honored to be the Grand Marshal and to be here.
Something about this music. Yeah. What name stop? Say what name stop? I can't stop. Say I can't stop. What name stop? Say what name stop? Taking over me, taking over my soul. It's the kind of feeling that I cannot control. Messing with my body, messing with my mind. Every time it hit me, everybody whine. And today I go make my name. Today I go change the game. I'm feeling fine. I don't care about shame. I want everybody just leave me alone. When you see me, please don't bother me. Just stay out my way. Leave me alone. Put your hand in the air. 1, 2. I feel everybody jump like it, 'cause I can't stop. Say I got jump up, then jump up, then jump up. I got jump up, I got jump up, I got stop. Say what them stop. I got stop. Say I got like a trumpet.
The Carnival nice, the Carnival turn up.
Mikey TV. Belize, that's a beautiful place. What do you have to say to people back home?
They do love me.
Oh, you loving the vibe?
Huh?
Oh, you loving the vibe?
I love me right now. I wish everybody was dancing more so I could dance.
Hi, Kitty. What's your name? Deja.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
I see you up there dancing. You're having a lot of fun, right?
Yeah.
Jamaica, the greatest country.
This is called Caporales.
Caporales?
It's from Bolivia. And we just get together and do this dance for Bolivia to show our culture and to share with all of you guys.
Love the dance. Even though
Thank
I
you.
didn't
You
dance.
did good. You did good.
Oh, thank
Good
you.
job. All right. Mikey TV, Hollywood Carnival, 2-woman sandwich in one man. Ramashe.
Why is it important that Lyrical be here at the historic Hollywood Boulevard and Hollywood Carnival? Why is it important for you to be here?
Because my goal is to help and enhance and support and endorse anywhere the culture live and anywhere the culture growing. And they say it growing in Hollywood, so we here in Hollywood.
You're growing it here.
Myself here, Bunchy Garland here, Fian Lion here, Marsha Montano here, Wasi One here, and everybody else here. So you need to be here. Hollywood Carnival. Anywhere the culture is and it's growing, we need to be here and we support it full 100. That is what we say. Yeah, Ramashe, we say. Give the girl and them some space. Watch them machine up this place. Mikey TV say. Yeah.
We just really want to big y'all up because we see y'all representing y'all everywhere. I saw you jumping up to Mr. Cameraman, but I guess he shouldn't say that.
Mikey TV.
Mikey TV.
Can we get a train, a twirl, something? Looking good, looking good. What island you want to shout out in the Caribbean?
Oh, Trinidad. I'm from Trinidad originally, but I've made LA my home. Ecstasy Mouse, they're out of LA.
We're closing shop at the Hollywood Carnival 2013. It's been a great season here on Mikey TV. I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in and watching Entertainment Beat. Don't go in there, keep it locked because we still got more in store. We got the Caribbean Star on the rise. We got the top 5 songs. And don't forget the video of the month. Keep it locked. Always remember, the iriest place online and in the world, Mikey TV. Mikey TV out for all the way. Flash say so. Boom!
Boom, Mikey TV wrapping up the beautiful carnival. We here with the one and only.
Yes, man. HD, Marshall Montano, HD. Live in Hollywood Carnival.
Oh, you enjoy it, man?
I mean, it was awesome. I mean, this is short compared to what we are accustomed to. I know Jody tired here already, but you know, in Trinidad we go for 2 days straight from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. back to 6 a.m. But I mean, for what it is, this is historic. It was a beautiful display of diversity. The Bolivians were here, you know, the Africans, the Hare Krishnas, Trini Fetters, Ecstasy, you know, the Pan side. I think it was a good start, good second year for Hollywood Carnival, bigger things to come.
One thing I will say, man, we party hard in Jamaica, but the Trinidad vibe today, man. You guys took over the boulevard.
I mean, the whole street was feeling the vibe. The firemen was dancing, all the tourists, everybody from LA, they feeling it. They love the music. They just need a little more. That was fun right there, and I'm sure they're gonna come back next year in droves.
Yeah, turn up the show later on, no?
I mean, I just passing through. I'm gonna be around. I'm gonna be having a good time, flexing with the girls, all the Caribbean beautiful ladies, enough respect.
All right, give thanks, Mikey TV. One love, yeah? Bless and guide us.
Enjoy your day.
We reach the stage, we warming up. Show your hands there. We going and cross, we gearing up to take. Try this one. Carnival in is too. It's just like we need blood in. When the pussy them between pan and a bongo drum is madness every say man Carnival is a true freedom. Hollywood is the real jam now. Pop. So everybody take a jump, take a jump, take a jump up now. Start to wait, start to wait, start to wait up now. Start to wine, start to wine, start to wine up now. Because it's Carnival. Somebody scream. What you feeling for? Somewhat? HD, I'ma leave you with this one. Put 3 to the let me go shake like this. I bust it down smooth and I begin the dance. Our head done gone, so I feel it to chant out. Let me go. And I wanna say you don't need to whine on me in the party. I'm already drunk. One thing I need inside the defense. Give me a bottle of rum.
Road African each and every year, Hollywood Boulevard. Everyone came out, we love the vibes. Trinidadians did an amazing job. Jamaicans, big up yourself. Jody, Ashley, the beautiful. You had fun?
I sure did. I had a great time.
Mikey TV, the #1 station in California. We love you.
Big up yourself.
Barbados, Virgin Islands, Jamaica,
I previewed it on Fox 11 and the Good Day
sleigh show, and I was invited to be the Grand Marshal on this year's parade, and I'm so excited. The energy is fantastic.
That's a real compliment, boy. Yeah.
And we are bring the reggae vibes and the thing you don't know. Without reggae can't sweet. So Errol Bannock they are represent from Jamaica live and direct. See? Rastafari. Boom.
And Nancy, what happened? What he gonna do? You gotta come and find out.
Nice. That's nice.
The country I'm representing is El Salvador.
Pointing fingers at me. I never